Tech and innovation. Specific startups. Popular startups in the Netherlands like Adyen, payment solutions, takeaway.com, food delivery, or booking.com, travel and accommodation. Unique selling points. What's unique about each startup, their innovations, and how they are making a difference in the market. Eindhoven, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of Europe. Focus on its tech parks and research facilities. Amsterdam, information on co-working spaces and startup incubators. AI and machine learning, how AI is being utilized in the Netherlands, share some examples. Sustainable tech, innovations in renewable energy solutions and green technology being developed in the Netherlands. Founders and innovators, if possible, short interviews with local tech founders or innovators about their journeys, challenges, and success stories. Growth areas, which sectors are rapidly growing? Like fintech, health tech, or edtech. Use engaging visuals, startup offices, team meetings, product demonstrations. Including infographics or statistics can also be useful.